Late folks, how y'all doing? Old man in the land of girls, you can hear the roar. Yeah, from the Blackstone. Folks, it's been a long time since I've cooked on the Blackstone pizza oven. A lot of you are saying, Blackstone made a pizza oven? Yeah, they're not just known for their making their griddles. Yeah, they made a pizza oven at one time that turns. It's run by a rotisserie motor. And I had two of these at one point, and they do work very nicely. I had some issues with them though, and I did a bunch of mods to it to make it work, and I'm not getting rid of mine. This thing gets super duper hot, and it cooks some really good pizza. So that's all we're doing here today, folks. I just want to show you this, because a lot of you that are new to the channel haven't seen the Blackstone pizza oven, and Blackstone doesn't sell this anymore. But you can find it on Craigslist, or I found, like I said, I had two. I found one on Facebook Marketplace. I had to do some rebuilding to it, but made it work. I actually used them for a wedding. Did like 26 pizzas in less than an hour on this. It was absolutely crazy. I never want to kind of do that again, but it was for my son, so it was well worth it. But still, this thing is a cooking machine. And we're gonna do just a take and bake on there, and I'm gonna show it. So if you're wondering how it works, it's just got a big propane burner down there. It's got the stone that sits on a steel plate that turns, and then above, it's got another stone up there, and it actually directs the flame up on top to get that other stone hot. And once it gets hot and dialed in, this thing can, you're cooking pizzas in, you're not reading the directions anymore, folks. 2 minutes sometimes, 3 minutes tops, and your pizzas are done. All right, we're good and hot. The stone is like 550-ish. We got our pizza on our peel, and away we'll go. I'll give you a look-see. This won't take long. All right, one thing I picked up a while ago is a bubble popper off of Amazon, and that's all you do is you just pop your bubbles like that. This is about less than a minute, folks, and you can see how this pizza is cooking up really, really quick. All right, you can see, folks, that is looking really, really good. This is ready to come off. 30 more seconds. I'll give you a look-see once it's plated up. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, nice looking pizza. Take a piece here, folks. Oh, man, look at that. Brown on the bottom. It's not standing up 100%. Could have maybe gone another 20 seconds, but I'll tell you what, this is good pizza. Awesome pizza, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, if you got one of the Blackstone pizza ovens, tell me about your experiences with it. Thanks for watching, folks.